Hey, what's up guys? It's Jenny here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be discussing chocolate. As women, you know, we crave chocolate. So I'm gonna just chat about a little bit of why we might be craving so much chocolate and give you a really delicious chocolate recipe that you can do really easy and really quick instead of grabbing that processed chocolate bar. If you crave chocolate on a daily basis, your body is telling you something. It means you're lacking something called magnesium. You need to be adding more magnesium into your diet, and this is really gonna help with the cravings. The reason why our body craves chocolate is because chocolate is full of magnesium. So without getting all those extra calories, you can easily include something like Calm into your night regimen. For me, at night, I will add 400 milligrams to some hot water. I stir it in so it disintegrates, and then I add a little bit of cold water, and I have this about 30 minutes prior to bed. Maybe do an hour so you're not getting up to pee in the middle of the night. And this also is so good for sleep and regularity. So it's gonna help you go to the washroom too. So really, really great product. And you'll notice after a couple weeks of keeping magnesium in your diet, you're not gonna be craving chocolate anymore. If you're still having those chocolate cravings, and you might have them closer to the time of your month because our bodies really utilize more magnesium around that time. Also when you're nursing, if you're a breastfeeding mom, your body is super deficient in magnesium. Your baby's sucking that out. So that's why you're probably craving more chocolate than ever before. So I have a really quick and easy recipe that is my go-to. And we are gonna slowly microwave it. Okay, so when I mean slowly, you're gonna do 30 seconds, stir, another 30 seconds, stir. You can also do this on a double boil on the stove, but for the sake of time, this is how I do it. Jackson, he's gonna help with putting together the chocolate peanut butter cups. Does that sound yummy? Yeah? Are you excited? He just got home, so this is a very exciting thing for him. Okay, so now we have the chocolate melted, right?
That's for me?
Maybe after when it's done, you can have a little bit, okay?
That is for me, and that is for you.
So now we're gonna put together our chocolate peanut butter cups, chocolate protein peanut butter cups. I don't have any of the liners, so I sort of makeshift my own from wax paper, but these will do. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I do one. Just 1 tablespoon of chocolate at the bottom. Put that in there.
Can you mix it? Can you mix it?
Yes, you can mix it. You mix it. Can mommy show everybody how to make the peanut butter cup?
Can I do it for...
Okay. I'll get another spoon. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 peanut butter cup, 1 scoop of chocolate, right? This is a mess, Jack. They would work much better with muffin liners. Okay, peanut butter time. Ready? Peanut butter time. It's more like chocolate peanut butter bark. So we're gonna put these in the fridge for about half an hour to an hour, and then they're ready to eat. Are you enjoying that, Jax? Okay, I think you need to have dinner first, buddy.
I want the treat. I want this treat.
And I will show you the finished product after this guy eats dinner. Okay, you can't eat the whole bowl, buddy.
I want.
Okay, so a couple hours have gone by. My son is in bed. Oh my God, he ate like half the bowl of chocolate. So, if you don't want your kids having that much chocolate, don't do this recipe with them. Lesson learned. And if you want them to actually look like peanut butter cups, maybe don't do the recipe with your kids. This is what it looks like. Like peanut butter chocolate bark. That's what we're calling them now. Still really good though. And mamas, if you like this type of video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget your magnesium tonight. See you soon.